Inventing isn't just for nuclear physicists and PhDs. You can be an inventions pioneer by putting your ideas to the test. Up next, meet our student scientist inventor, Jay. He studies communication methods to see if his messages are coming in loud and clear. Jay wanted to learn more about electrical communication, so his experiment involves testing a home power line network for noise.
A home power line network is a network that uses the existing power outlets and power wiring of a house to allow computers to connect to each other.
Sometimes this network runs alongside DSL connections that travel on standard telephone wires.
So I wanted to see if the power line network could be interfering with my DSL connection and affecting my speeds.
To do that, Jay had to create a special test network.
You can think of this network as being one big circle where everything flows to each other. This computer connects to this device down here through this cable. This wire travels back through here into the power of the building.
Through a series of cables and special adapters, Jay creates a network that enables two computers to talk to one another. In order to measure how much noise this network can cause in neighboring telephone wires, Jay introduces several other components.
I ran a power extension cord for 25 feet along a telephone wire, also 25 feet. I also plugged the telephone wire into the oscilloscope so that I could measure the noise.
To activate the network, Jay performs a simple file transfer from one computer to the other. As the signal passes through the network, the oscilloscope begins to react.
This makes it clear that crosstalk is occurring from the power network onto the phone line.
By observing the oscilloscope, Jay is able to collect data and draw his conclusions.
This amount of noise is actually only a few hundred microvolts of noise. So while I did find noise in my telephone wire, as I predicted, it was not enough to cause a significant interference.